Hey, what's going on, guys? Dr. Chuck here. Hey, just doing some unboxing of my new Unaliwear Kanega watch. So I figured I'd show you guys what's inside the box. Now, I am an affiliate of Unaliwear and I do earn commissions. In fact, if you're interested in the Kanega watch, I can get you $100 off. Just look down in the description and that'll tell you how to contact me to get the discount code. All right, so I'll do a close up here for you as we go through it. So flip it open here. Right off the bat, we got a nice insert that takes you through the customer service number right here. It also lets you know that the watch is configured based on the information that was given to the company, which would be like your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So that's pretty sweet. So let's move that. Obviously, that's going to be our quick start guide. Yeah, talking about charging the batteries and that sort of thing. So we'll be looking at that here shortly. Let's put that to the side. And everything's nice and organized. Let's go right for the watch. Looks like there's a little spacer in there. Yes. Oh, I love when companies do that. Right. So here's the watch. Pretty cool. Take that right off. Okay. Very nice looking watch. I will get back to that. Then we got the 4 batteries here. It's pretty awesome to have 4 batteries because you never need to take the watch off and plug it in. You can just swap out the batteries and keep wearing the watch, because what's the point of plugging the watch in and taking it off when you go to sleep if you're going to walk and go to the bathroom and potentially fall on the way, and then you're not wearing the watch. Then we got the charger with a nice charging block. And they even give you a really nice charging cord here. One of those ones that's reinforced on the outside for durability. So I am thoroughly impressed with the packaging and organization. So I believe the next step is going to be to start charging it.